Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Thai Lodchong. Just about anywhere in Thailand, you will find very easy in Thai street food for this dessert. It's sweetened with caramelized sugar or palm sugar. The green germs are made from the large strainer with the gems falling into the ice cold water. So let's start with the preparing pandan water. We just use the powder pandan, or you can use the pandan leaf and blend them in the water and then strain it. And then we're gonna mix with limestone water. The ingredients I will put in the description box below. We just use only few ingredients for this recipe. We use 3 flour, rice flour, mung bean flour, tapioca flour to mix together. And then the pandan water mixture that we prepared before. And we're gonna mix it just only a little bit, adding the water. And then we're gonna knead the mixture together until the flour all is mixed together with the water. And after that, we're gonna add all of our water. For the limestone water, we just let the limestone paste sit in the water for 1 hour. Slowly pour the separate water in another bowl. And now the batter is mixed well, and then we gonna add all the water that we prepare and mix it. After that, we gonna cook the batter on a medium high heat for about 8 to 10 minutes. And during the cook, we gonna stirring all the way through. It's important to keep stirring as you cook so the starch to settle to the bottom and burn it. So we gonna keep continue to stirring. The cooking process will take about 10 minutes or more. Once it has thickened, you can see now, and keep stirring and mixing until the color becomes translucent. About 2 or 3 minutes of the cooking after has thickened, and then we're gonna turn off heat. And now you can see our batter is thickened, and continue to stir until it's translucent, about 2 minutes of the cooking after it has thickened. You can see it now is quite translucent or shiny now. And then we're gonna turn off the heat. Then we're gonna prepare the water that have ice and put our batter through a strainer with the large hole and letting the green gems fall into the ice cold bath water. Place the batter down until it is used up. The longer you press, the longer the candle will be. The shorter you press, the shorter the candle will be. So it's up to you if you want the longer or shorter. It depends on how pressure you do it. So the lodchong can be stored in the fridge for up to 3 days in the water. So you can make the recipe before you eat also. And now we get ready for lodchong, and the next is the coconut milk. Topping sauce in a pot. Melt the palm sugar or coconut sugar with the coconut milk together, and then it come to a boil. Remove it from the heat and stir the sugar right away. And make sure that the sugar is dissolved all. And also add a little bit of the salt. And now you can see our sugar is all dissolved, and then turn off the heat and let it cool down and top on our lodchong with the ice. Place lodchong noodle into the bowl and then add some of the topping sauce and also the ice. So, and let's enjoy for this dessert. I hope you guys give this try for this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook, and see you next time.